guys, okay? As loud as you can. Let's go! Around again. Go forward. Correct. Alright then guys, I'm only going to ask you this question one more time and you've got to be as loud as you can. Give me